in the place, in your face. It's your boy. That boy can cook. I'm back. I am back. All right, and today's recipe, we're gonna do something fun. Let's do something fun where you can get the kids involved. If you have kids, get the kids involved. They'll love it. What it's gonna be? Not fried chicken, ice cream. Yeah, been a little trend of that going on. So I'm like, hey, let me show you how to make not fried chicken ice cream. Now let's get to it. Yeah. All right, as you can see, these are our ingredients for our not fried chicken ice cream. And we have to work family. We have to work quick, family, because you don't want your ice cream to melt on you. But what I did, these are 1 scoop each, and I just shaped them into little oval shapes. So I'm gonna take my Twix. I got the king size pack of Twix. So let's just get that open. And we're gonna place one in the center of, let's go face down, as such. This is gonna be our bone for our chicken. Let's move this out of the way. There we go. That way we can get a up close and personal view. There we go. And also I put my Twix in the freezer, keep them cold as well. There we go. So let's just get them all in there and let's shape our chicken. There we go. Into little drumettes, as such. There we go. And if you need more ice cream, you can feel free to put more ice cream on top. But like I say, we want to work kind of quick because it will melt. And once we get these all shaped, we are going to pop them back in the freezer for about an hour and a half, maybe to 2 hours. There we go. Alrighty. And just to get them to reharden. And then we're going to come back and melt our chocolate. About 30 minutes before we pull our ice cream out, we're going to melt our chocolate. There we go. All right, I got one more. The one for my hand is kind of melting the ice cream, but we're almost there. We are almost there. Like I say, we just have to work kind of fast, family. But it's all good. It's gonna be well worth it. There we go. Yeah. Alrighty. Now let's get these in the freezer ASAP. As you can see how quickly they are starting to melt. So let's get them in the freezer. All right, our ice cream have been in the freezer for about an hour and a half. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get us a double boil going, and we're going to melt our chocolate chips. And the double boil is simply get you a pan, a little bit of water in the bottom, get you a non-stick bowl or heat resistant glass bowl, and slowly just allow your white chocolate to melt. All right, see how we're starting to melt here? So we're just going to go low and slow and allow it to melt until we get a smooth chocolate, white chocolate. So we just keep stirring it, keep mixing it, and just let it smoothen on out. Melt on down and smoothen on out. Just like that. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. Alrighty, and our white chocolate is melted down. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. Just like that. Let's turn this off. Now let's get our not fried chicken ice cream ready. All right, here is one of our ice cream chickens right here. I got the rest in the freezer. I'm gonna go one by one. So let's get this in the, let you guys see, and make it quick because this is still warm. So let's just make sure it's fully coated in the white chocolate, just like that. There we go. Let's get that back to the side. Let's get that right there. And we're just gonna cover it up. That's it. And as you're covering it up, you can still shape it. And once we get it shaped, we're going to place it back in the freezer to let it finish getting hardened as we need it to be. So let's just make sure we coat our not fried chicken ice cream. Yeah, there we go. Still gotta shape it. And there we go, family. Look at that. Now let's get the rest done. Let's get this in the freezer and let's get the rest done. Alrighty. All right, our not fried chicken ice cream is done. Check us out. Check us out. Fried chicken ice cream. Yeah, in your face. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look just like chicken, fried chicken. You know we gotta taste it. Let's get a drumstick. Make sure we don't have no pink in the middle. Delicious. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till next time, I'm gone. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, even share it. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Till the next time, yeah.